Hello and welcome to today's revision. Today we are going to look at a simple question on fractions where we are supposed to evaluate without using a calculator. We have 2/3 into 1 and 3/7 minus 5/7. You divide by 3/4 plus 1 and 5/7 divided by 4/7 of 2 and a third. So we are going to begin with the upper part, which we call the numerator, and in this case the numerator is 2/3 into, we have 1 and 3/7 is the same as 10/7. That is 7 times 1 will give us 7. 7 plus 3 will give us 10 out of 7 as an improper fraction, minus we have 5/7. So we move down. This is 2/3. Bracket means multiplication, and we're going to multiply by the answer we get from the brackets. When the denominators are the same, the LCM is going to be 7, so we can subtract the numerators direct. That is 10 minus 5, you get 5. And when you multiply these two, 2 times 5 will give us 10, and 3 times 7 will give us 21, and that is the answer to the upper part. Going to the lower part, which is the denominator. The denominator we have is 3/4 plus, we convert 1 and 5/7 into an improper fraction. This is 7 times 1, which is 7 plus 5. This one is going to be 12/7. Then we divide by 4 out of 7 of, we can change 2 and a third into an improper fraction. 3 times 2 will give us 6 plus 1, which is 7/3. From there, since we have more than 2 operations, we are going to apply BODMAS. And in BODMAS, we begin with brackets, which we don't have. We go to the next operation, which is off, and off is between 4/7 and 3/7. In this case now, this is the same as 4/7. We multiply by 7/3. 7 and 7 cancels, and the answer to that is going to be equal to 4/3. From there we come down and say this is 3/4 plus 12/7. We divide by, the answer from the brackets is 4/3. From there we go to the next operation. Between addition and division, division comes first, and therefore we are going to take 12/7, you divide by 4/3, which is the same as 12/7. We move to multiplication and take the reciprocal of 4/3, which is going to be 3/4. So 4 goes to itself once, it goes to 12 3 times, and if you take 3 times 3, it will give us, if you take 3 times 3, you get 9/7 times 1, which is 7. From there now, we can go and finish our operation by taking 3/4 plus the answer from the brackets, which is 9/7. And if you add the 2, we know the LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. 28 divided by 4, you get 7. 7 times 3, you get 21. And then from there, you take 28, you divide by 7, you get 4. 4 times 9, you get 36. And if you add these two, 21 plus 36, you are going to get 57/28. That is now the answer to the denominator. If we link now the two, that is the numerator over denominator, we are going to have 10 out of 21. We divide by the denominator, which is 57, divide by 28, and this can be equal to This is the same as 10 over 21. We multiply by 28 over 57. And this can be simplified further such that the common factor between 21 and 28 is 7. 21 by 7 you get 3, and 28 by 7 you get 4. And if you take 10, you multiply by 4, it will give you 40. You divide by 3 times 57, which will give us 171. And this is the answer to the question number 1 under fractions. Thank you for watching and welcome to our channel.